Salut à tous! Hi everyone! Welcome to our French class on eFM, Easy French with Marcel. Alright, so today we're going to learn about the numbers in French from 0 to 20 in French. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's go one more time with the first 10 numbers in French. Now it's your turn. Let's repeat together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bravo! Alright, so here are the first 10 numbers in French. Now let's go with the next 10 numbers. We have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so here are the first 20 numbers in French. So you notice here the numbers from 11 to 16 in French ends with the sound Z, Z-I. Alright, so we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, so you notice here the numbers from 17 to 19 are composed with this. Examples, we have 17, 18, 19. Let's repeat one more time the first 20 numbers in French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so here are the first 20 numbers in French.